AsapScience channel. Well, this is a really great day for us. Why? Because this is the first day filming our first video for our channel. Well, it's so exciting, right? On this channel, we can learn about science, anything about science. But don't be so serious, guys. Really, don't be so serious. Why? Because we can learn science with a lot of fun, I guarantee it. So, are you ready for the first science video ever? Okay, so let's get started. Today we're going to learn about chicken and egg. What is the first question that pops out from your head when you hear about chicken and egg? Wait, let me think. Which came first? The chicken or the egg? Really? That was the first question that popped out from my head, and I'm still asking, and I really want to know about it. Is anyone knows? Well, I think it's the chicken first. But where did the chicken come from? It must be the egg, right? But where did the egg come from? Oh God. I'm so confused and I'm so curious right now. Well, I don't know, guys. Are you as curious as I am? Well, let's start discussing. So, we have the chicken. Wait, I mean a chicken.
Chicken. See?
Fine. Oh God. Okay. Just move. Let's move to the egg. Okay. And so we also have the egg. No! Don't eat it! We need the egg.
It's okay, I can be the egg.
Oh my God. Something's going wrong here. Whatever. Well, let's get focused, guys, okay? Back to the topic. Which came first?
The chicken or the egg? Actually, this is a really simple question, but we just got confused when we started thinking about it. Egg-laying animals existed far before chickens came about, so technically, the egg came before the chicken.
But if a chicken is born from an egg, where did the egg come from? Of course, from the chicken, right? But seriously, I'm so confused right now. Which came first? We have two options. First, the chicken.
British researchers say the chicken must have come first, as the formation of eggs is only possible thanks to a protein found in the chicken's ovaries. The protein called ovocladidin 17 or OV17 acts as a catalyst to speed up the development of the shell. Scientists used a supercomputer called Hector to zoom in on the formation of an egg. It showed OV17 was crucial in kick-starting crystallization, the early stages of forming a shell. So, without a chicken, you technically cannot get a chicken egg. But this all depends on the nature and the definition of a chicken egg in the first place. After all, is a chicken egg an egg laid by a chicken? Or one that simply contains a chicken? Maybe the OV17 bearing chicken had to come from somewhere. Okay, now we have second option, the egg. In nature, living things evolve through changes in their DNA. In an animal like a chicken, DNA from a male sperm cell and a female ovum meet and combine to form a zygote, the first cell of a new baby chicken. This first cell divides innumerable times to form all of the cells of the complete animal. In any animal, every cell contains exactly the same DNA, and that DNA comes from the zygote. Chickens evolved from non-chickens, or we can say a proto-chicken, through small changes caused by the mixing of male and female DNA or by mutations to the DNA that produce the zygote. These changes and mutations only have an effect at the point where a new zygote is created. That is, two non-chickens, or that we can say a proto-chicken, mated, and the DNA in their new zygote contained the mutations that produced the first true chicken. Prior to that first true chicken zygote, there were only non-chickens, or proto-chickens. The zygote cell is the only place where DNA mutations could produce a new animal, and the zygote cell is housed in the chicken's egg. So, the egg must have come first.
So, the egg came first? Let me make it clear.
So, a proto-chicken gives birth to a chicken inside of what we will classify as a chicken egg, and such the egg came first. See? So, we can all agree now that the first true chicken came from an egg. So, the answer is the egg came first.
Are you still confused? Well, if you're confused and have any questions, please write a comment down below and let us know.